Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do an activity related to your syllabus, and the activity is angle sum property of a triangle. Students, you know that this theorem is in your syllabus. You have already done it, but today we are going to do its proof by paper cutting and pasting method. Now for this, the materials required are, the first is colored sheets. You need colored sheets. They may be of same or different colors. We need triangular cutouts from these sheets. Then we need glue, a pair of scissors, markers or sketch pen. Then we need pencil and A3 or A4 size sheet according to the availability. Then border tape and scale. Okay, we need colored sheets, glue, a pair of scissors, markers or sketch pens, pencil, A3 or A4 size sheet which is available to you, border tape and also scale. Now, as you know that angle sum property of a triangle states that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Today we are going to do it by paper cutting and pasting method. So first of all, you need two triangles of the same shape and same size. Means you need two triangles. We need two triangles because one is to be pasted directly and other we are going to divide this into three parts. So I have taken two equal triangles from one of the colored sheets. I have three different types of triangles. The first pair, and then I have this second pair which is a pair of right angle triangle. So these are two right angle triangles, and I have third pair also. Okay. So I am taking this pair of triangle. So let's start the activity. Now these are two triangles of same shape and same size. The first triangle will be pasted as such and write down the names of the vertices. Let the name of the triangle is ABC. So paste the first triangle on sheet and write down the name as A, B and C. Now what is to be done with this second triangle? Write down the names of vertices in the same way, but write down the names inside this. So I am writing here A, then B and then C. Okay. So I have written the names of these vertices inside this triangular portion. Now what is to be done next? Next is to divide this triangle into three parts. They can be done in any way. So I am taking this triangle and then I am dividing this into three parts. It can be done in any way. So this is the first part. Then divide this remaining portion into two parts. Okay. So I have divided triangle ABC into three parts. It can be done in any way. Then take a pencil and scale, or you may take directly a sketch pen and a scale. Draw a straight line. I am making it using a pencil first of all. Then I am using a sketch to darken this line. You can directly use a sketch pen. Then take any one point on this line. It can be anywhere on this line. Okay. So take any one point on this line. I am taking the point here. And now paste these cutouts of the triangle. These cutouts of the triangle, they are to be adjusted along this line. So keep any one part. First, I am keeping angle B in this way. Then angle A also I am keeping around this point. Okay. Now let's see whether this will get adjusted or not. So if I am keeping it here, now the next work is to paste these three parts around this point. Now you can see that these three angles A, B and C, they are covering this portion. Their sum comes out to be 180 degree. They are making a straight angle, and we know that a straight angle is always of 180 degree. So what you need to do? The first triangle is to be pasted as such. Write down the names of the vertices A, B and C. Then after that, draw a straight line and make these triangular cutouts. Divide the second triangle into three parts. It may be done in any way. Now we know the vertices where angle B and angle A, angle B and angle C lies. Arrange these angles along this line. So we can say that these three angles, they are making a straight angle. So sum of all the angles is 180 degree. Let's do it once again. Let me remove these three cutouts. Let me remove this triangular part also. Let's take another triangle. Okay. So I am taking this pair now. This is the second pair of triangles. These are also congruent triangles. They are of same shape and same size. One triangle is to be pasted here, and write down the names of the vertices as A, B and C. So write down the names as A, B and C. They are already written. I am not changing. And then after that, for the second triangle, you need to write down these names inside the triangular portion. So this is A. This angle is angle B. And this is the third angle, angle C. Now the next work is to divide this triangle into three parts. In any of the way you can cut this. So I am dividing this triangle into three parts. This is the first cutout, then second and third. It can be done in any way. So I got all the three parts. Okay. Benefit क्या हुआ ABC लिखने का? अब देखो, there are four corners here. So if I have already written A, so I know point A lies here. Otherwise, it would be difficult to find out कि कौन सा vertex A था. Same with the other parts. If B and C are already written, it becomes easy to arrange these parts along a straight line. Then draw a straight line. Take any point on it. Arrange all the three parts and check whether they are making an angle of 180 degree or not. First of all, I have kept angle A here. Then angle B. You can arrange in any way. Okay, angle B and then angle C. So we can see that all these angles, they are making an angle of 180 degree. That is, they are on a straight line. So their sum is 180 degree. Let's arrange this in some other way. Let's keep angle C here and angle B here. Okay. Now angle A, I have kept in the center. Again, they are making a straight angle. Okay, when you will paste this, there will be no gap left. So we can see that angle C, angle A, angle B, they are making a straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. So we can say that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now I have done this for you. You need to do in this way. At the top, you will write activity. So write down activity at the top. Okay. Then write down the name of the activity, which is angle sum property of a triangle. Then write what it states. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. After that, paste the first triangle and write down the name as ABC. Then draw a straight line and paste or arrange all the three cutouts along the straight line. and then write down at the last, hence sum of all the angles is 180 degree, or angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Now you have to show your creativity here. You can use artistic calligraphy. You can write in any other different way. Write very beautifully, and I have made a border with the sketch pen. You can also use border tape. So what I have done, activity at the top you need to write down, then angle some property of a triangle, then write down the main point, sum of all the angles of triangle, the statement, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, paste one of the triangle, then cut the second triangle into three parts in any of the way, and arrange those three angles along the straight line, and at the last write down, hence sum of all the angles is 180 degree, or angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.